am excited, but we're gonna jump right into Rapid Rain. I'm gonna ask you some very fast-paced questions. You only have one choice: intelligence or influential network.
Quit talking about me. I'm both. Influential network.
Intelligence.
Ooh, that's good. I'm gonna have to say intelligence.
Always gonna go with the influential network because it's not about what you know, it's who knows you.
In this season in my life, because I'm intelligent, influential network.